Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. As we have discussed yesterday that we are going to do chapter 22, that is democracy and government of your civics. Excuse me. We'll do the exercise today and we'll start with section A, section B, and then the section C, then question answers. Okay, you will take out one rough copy and one pen. Please write down the answers, then check the spellings, and after that you are going to jot down the same in your fair copy. This every time I say you, because I know that you will forget and you are not going to do that. Okay, now so let's start. Section A, question 1. Tick the correct option. Question 1. Conflicting interest leads to, what does it leads to? It leads to clashes. When the interests they are conflicted, it leads to clashes. That is option D. The second, in an atmosphere of discord and division, what is the best way to settle disputes? The best way is adjustment and accommodation. Adjustment and accommodation. Again, that is option D. The third, democratic way of life demands that, what does it demands? Opinion of the minority should be respected. 4 options are here. That is, majority should accept what the minority says. It doesn't happen in democracy. Minority should ignore the viewpoint of majority. This also does not happen. Opinion of the minority should be respected. Majority and minority both should stick to their stance. If both of them will stick to their stance, then we cannot come to any conclusion. So in a democratic way of life, what we do is, opinion of the minority should be respected. That is option C. That is the correct answer. The question 4. Which one of the following is against the spirit of democracy? What is against the spirit of democracy? That is dictatorship. Option B. Dictatorship is just against the spirit of democracy. Now question 5. Identify the undemocratic methods of problem solving. Undemocratic method जो डेमोक्रेसी से रिलेटेड नहीं है, जो डेमोक्रेट किसी के वैल्यूज को फॉलो नहीं करता, वो अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड है. तो ऐसा अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड क्या है? डिस्कशन तो नहीं हो सकता, पर्सुएशन नहीं हो सकता, कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हो सकता, कोएरिशन ही अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड है. सो द आंसर इज कोएरिशन. दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. दैट इज fill in the blanks. Our country is dash governed by the people through their representatives. Our country is indirectly governed by the people through their representatives. Now question number 2. A democratic government is a government dash the people and dash the people. So what will be your answer? A democratic government is a government of the people, for the people, by the people. Third, when elected representatives govern the country on behalf of the people, it is called dash democracy. It is called representative democracy. Representative. When elected representatives govern the country on behalf of the people, it is called representative democracy. REPRESENTATIVE. Representative democracy. Okay, question number 4. There is no place for dash and dash in a democracy. There is no place for coercion and violence in a democracy. There is no place for coercion and violence in a democracy. Fifth, democracy paves the way and prepares the citizens to dash the disputes. Democracy paves the way and prepares the citizens to mutually resolve the disputes. mutually resolve the disputes. Now come to the next slide. That is, match the following. Match the following. What is India? India is having a democratic government. So India will match with E, democratic government. And goals of democracy, it is well-being of each individual. What is the goal of democracy? That is well-being of each individual. That is B. Now, universal adult franchise is right to cast vote. That is A. Union government, that is the government at national level. Union government at national level, that is C. And positive attitude is live and let live. And Geo or Jeene do. India, democratic government, goals of democracy, well-being of each individual, universal adult franchise, right to cast vote. Union government at national level, and positive attitude, live and let live. I think it is clear. Now we'll come to question answers again. That is the major part, which you are going to write down very precisely and nicely without making spelling mistake. And before you jot down the same in your fair copy, you will check the spellings. Okay, question number 1 of section D. What is the most positive attitude in a conflicting situation? Write down the answer. The most positive attitude in a conflicting situation is live and let live. I'll repeat it. The most positive attitude in a conflicting situation is live and let live. Now, question number 2. Mention an outcome of conflicting situation. Write the answer. Outcome of conflicting situation are misunderstanding, rigid stance, and sometimes clashes. I'll repeat the answer once again. Outcome of conflicting situation are misunderstanding, rigid stance, and sometimes clashes. Question number 3. Who organizes, supervises, and controls activities around us? Write down the answer. Government at different levels organizes, supervises, and controls activities around us. I'll repeat the answer. Government at different levels organizes, supervises, and controls activities around us. Next question. What is the outcome of tolerance and self-discipline? What is the outcome of tolerance and self-discipline? Write down the answer. Harmony and balance in the society. I'll repeat the answer. Harmony and balance in the society. Okay. Now, question number 5. Give examples of any two elected representatives of the people at various levels of government. Answer. 2 points you will write. First point, national level, then put a small dash, Prime Minister. Next point, state level, again put a small dash and write Chief Minister. I'll repeat it again. national level, then put a small dash and write Prime Minister. And then second point, state level, put a small dash and write Chief Minister. I hope the answer is clear. Very small answers I have given. Now come to section E. Answer the following questions. In question 1, state 3 points on the right which forms basis of democratic government. Write down the answer. 3 points on the right, RIGHT, 3 points on the right which forms basis of democratic government are equality, fraternity and justice. I'll repeat it again. 3 points on the right which forms basis of democratic government are equality, fraternity and justice. Now come to question number 2. Whose view should be accepted when so many people are involved in taking a decision and why? Whose view should be accepted when so many people are involved in taking a decision and why? Write down the answer. When a large number of people are involved in taking a decision, the opinion of majority is accepted, but the opinion of minority is also respected. I'll repeat the answer again. When a large number of people are involved in taking a decision, the opinion of majority is accepted, but the opinion of minority is also respected. In India this happens now, that the opinion of the majority is accepted because majority always wins, but the opinion of minority is also respected. Now come to next question. Mention any 3 advantage. Why did India opt for representative democracy? Why did India opt for representative democracy? Explain. Write down the answer. In a vast country like India, it is difficult to devise a method for the direct participation of the people in the governance of the country. This is first point. Second point, therefore representative democracy has been adopted in India. Under this system, people elect their representative who govern on their behalf. I'll repeat the answer again. First point, in a vast country like India, it is difficult to devise a method for the direct participation of the people in the governance of the country. Second point, therefore, representative democracy has been adopted in India. Under this system, people elect their representative who govern on their behalf. Now next question, mention any 3 advantages of a democratic setup. 3 points you will write. The first point, democracy aims at aims. Democracy aims at social, economic and political equality. Democracy aims at social, economic and political equality. Question number 2 I am saying, pardon. Point number 2, democracy maintains harmony and balance in the society. Democracy maintains harmony and balance in the society. Third point, it helps in maintaining peace. I'll repeat the points again. First point, democracy aims at social, economic and political equality. Second point, democracy maintains harmony and balance in the society. Third point, it helps in maintaining peace. Now question number 5, how do people guard their own rights and freedom granted to them by the Constitution? Explain. Please write down the answer. People cast their votes very judiciously, judiciously. People cast their votes very judiciously, they closely watch the activities of various departments of the government and criticize also if required. Next, they also seek justice whenever needed to safeguard their own rights and freedom. So you can divide it into 3 points. First point again I'll repeat. People cast their votes very judiciously. Second point, they closely watch the activities of various departments of the government and criticize also if required. Third point, they also seek justice whenever needed to safeguard their own rights and freedom. So children, here we have completed the question answer of lesson 22 also. I think now you all will complete your copy properly. You will check the spellings and then you will do that in the fair copy. Learn all the question answers, spellings, everything. If you have any doubt, you're free to call me and WhatsApp me anytime. Till then, take care and have a good day.